Hello everybody, welcome again to our YouTube channel. In the first video we see all about the introduction on C++. Now in this video we will talk about the first program in C++. And before I start, we have to know that we need one thing, and that is called IDE. When you write your code, right, and you run and debug your code. Now for the C++ in this course we will also talk about that we have to use div C++, and also we use div C++. Now for downloading of div C++, just write div C++ IDE and just click on the first official link, right, and just come below and click download original div C++ 5.8 version, right, and just click download. It will take a moment and the downloading will start successfully, but I don't want to download because I already download for you guys, right? I don't want to download. I have to pause it because I already download. Now I will show you that I download here in download folder, and I have to just click and open, right, and yes. Now this is loading. Please wait while setup is loading, right. Now it will take a minute, and this is installer language. Please select language. I want to use English, then okay, and this is agreement. I agree, and then next. And here you can use also select your browse place, right. I want to install, and the installation is being started. Yes. Now just a minute, it will install successfully, right. And this was all about the process of installation. I think it is easy. Just next, I agree, next, and install. And then you have to just wait for a minute to install successfully div C++ IDE, right, 5.11 and its version, right. Come back to slides. We have already talked about IDE, right. And in this video we will talk about first program in C++ and how to write and how to run first program, and one of the most popular IDE, div C++, right. Now just a moment, it will be it is installed successfully, right. Run div C++ 5.11 and its version, right. And just I want to click finish here, and there we have to, yes, we faced with one of the most first time configuration dialog box. This is the first time configuration. Just select English original, next, and you can select font classic. You can also use the next, and at the end okay. Now this was the first, this is all about the IDE of div C++ 5.11.8 version. Now whenever we want to write a program, or we can say write a program or code for an application or software, we have to come here, file, and new, and just click source file and Control N, it's short. Just click and you can zoom in, right. And now I want to write something. Now in this video we talk about, I already said that we talk about first program in C++. I want to write something for first program that I want to include. I want to include what? iStream. Now what is iStream? I will discuss later, right. Using namespace std space std, and at the end main function, right? And return what? Return 0. This is all about the syntax of C++. Now I want to write something like cout, and I want to write hello coder word, right? Because we have special word for coders and programmers. Now when I write statement and I want to run the code, we have to first of all file and save the program. I want to save and name hello coder. Just I want to save with hello coder, and then I click save. Now for the running of this code, we have to run from this option, compile and run. I want to click, and whenever we don't have any debug and error, there we will see a black screen and say hello coder word. It means that we successfully write the first program and also we successfully run it. Now for this I will talk about that what is hash include iStream using namespace std and main function. First of all, we have hash include iStream. Hash include iStream, I already write something in the slide that hash include iStream, this is called preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive. It tells the processor to include the content of iStream. Now the content of iStream is input and output. It means that if we don't have hash include iStream, now the program's error, right? Cout was not declared in this code. It means that cout is not declared in this program, in this code. Now if you want to declare cout, you have to include the iStream. I means input, O means output, and cout is used for output, to print something on the black screen, right? Now just take a look. If I want to write something like cout and I want to say pow function and 2, 3, or we can say 3. Right. Now it means that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. It's a power, right? And if I run, it will give me an error, special error. It means that pow was not declared in this code. Now if you want to declare pow, you have to include one of the most popular header file, which is called hash include and math.h. Now the information of pow is declared in math header file. If I run, it will gives me the output clear, right? 8. Now if I control with click and come below down, you can see here, right? You can see here that we have sine, cosine, and power is where is power, and here there is power. It means that everything in power power function is declared in, information of this power is declared in math.h. It means math header file. If I click here control with iStream, you can see also cout in cn. It means the cout in cn and cout is declared in where? In this header file. iStream header file, right? And also you can use CERR in clog, like it's magic CERR, and after that message hello and welcome, right, and semicolon. This is called statement in C++, and you have to put semicolon at the end, right? Every statement. Now hello coder word, and we have hello and welcome. It means that we can also use CERR for output, right? We can also use another clog, I think, yes, clog, and I have to use hello Again, I have to say like this, right? And I have to put semicolon here. And you can see the output and hello again. Right. This was all about the first header file, preprocessor directory. Right. I want to clear this statement. Now we have first hello world. Okay. Now, second we have using namespace std. Using namespace std, it will be discussed later. But if we don't have using namespace std in our program, it will give me error. Cout was not declared. And note, std use, it means that use std : the error will clear. Now take a look. Hello world. Okay, but if I have cout 10 times, or we can say 100 times, 1000 times in a program, we have to use std. Like, I want to use cout another time, and hello and welcome. Now, if I want to run, it will give me an error. Now, the error is that cout was not declared. I have to use std in : Right, I have 2 times, but if I have 100 times, 1000 times, I will write there std in std. I want something special. I want to include here, and for all the cout statement it will work. Right. Okay. The next we have int main function. Now this is called main function, and this is starting of the program. Whenever compiler comes, first read this statement, header file, and then main function, and see whether main function is included in the program or not. If I don't have main function, it will give me as well error. Right, error, cout was not declared. Cout does not name a type expected. Okay. For that reason, we have to use main function. Now, what is main function? Main function is the starting of program. The main function is responsible to begin the program. It means the beginning of program is from main function. It means the program start from here. It include body of your program. Right. Now, this is enough for this video. Okay. I think this is enough for this video, and I hope you enjoy the video. Right. And if you enjoy the video, just like the video and do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time.